Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing I'm doing Natsu Dragneel from the fairy tale manga series, cartoon, comic book. He's a really great looking character. I was just searching through some images online and I found this one. I really like the contrast between Dragneel's hair and his scarf around his neck. So it's a very light coloured scarf and he's got this very orangey, reddy, crimsony, pinky coloured hair, which looks fantastic. I'm using for the outlines, I'm using a Faber-Castell very fine liner permanent marker, and I'm using Copic Markers for the colouring in. I've been using these Copic markers now for about a week and a half. I did used to use the Winsor & Newton markers, which are fantastic markers. They're both alcohol-based markers, which you can blend with. But I'm enjoying the Copic markers. They seem to go on a little bit smoother, and I seem to be able to get better transitions between the same family of colours. So in the oranges and the reds, I can get a smoother transition, which when I'm trying to do something slightly more realistic, which I know this anime isn't too realistic, but when I'm trying to do a realistic rendition of a picture, I'm just finding the Copic markers slightly easier to work with. The sand colour that I'm using for the face at the moment ran out on me, well, not quite halfway through, but about 3/4 of the way through. So I didn't quite get as smooth a finish on the face as I would have liked to have done. I think I salvaged it anyway towards the end, so let me know what you think. But I've had quite a few new subscribers to the channel in the last couple of days that are really into their anime, and they've been challenging me to draw new characters that I'd never heard of before. So thank you so much for that, guys. I really appreciate your support, the lovely comments that you've been making on the channel. So keep the requests coming in. I will be spending most of this week doing some more anime, and I'll have a go at some other things as well. So if you've got any other requests that you want me to do, maybe you've got another type of drawing that you'd like me to have a go at, maybe it's a Marvel character or film that you'd like me to do, or something else, I'll give that certainly a go. But keep the manga requests coming in the comment section below. Don't forget to hook me up on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All of the links to my social media are on the descriptions down below, so you can find me on all of those. It'd be great to hear from you. Just before we get to the end of this video, which we're almost done now, I just wanted to thank you so much for supporting the channel. Every like, comment and share that you give makes a huge difference to my channel. I've seen some really fab growth in the last couple of months. Like I say, I'm doing daily videos. It's quite difficult sometimes with children and dogs and other jobs, but I'm getting there. So I hope you're enjoying what I'm doing so far. I'm enjoying making these videos. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment down below. If you've not subscribed to the channel, I hope you do consider subscribing. Hit the notifications button so that you know when new videos drop. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for the support. Have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.